This is Gail Kelly, and I'm going to discuss Creative Commons. This is Gail Kelly, and I'm going to discuss Creative Commons. I asked my daughter if I could explain Creative Commons to her. She is starting a new job and has a very active 2-year-old. She stated she would love to listen, but I need to make it very brief. I briefly explained that in the past, everything was just copyrighted. But with Creative Commons, we can now say that some rights are reserved. These are some of the alternatives. The creator can choose from different licenses. This makes licensing created material easier for all involved. People using this material will know what they are able to do in advance. For further information, please contact Creative Commons. They have their own website where they make it easy with a free online tool to choose whatever license you would prefer for your work.